I live in a big city. There are big buildings and wide roads in our city. Buses, cars, bikes. There's a lot of traffic in the city. There's a dairy near my house. We buy milk from the dairy. We get the milk in a pouch. It's nice and as cold as ice. Bye bye.
असेच आमचे नवीन व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि हो आमच्या व्हिडिओला लाईक आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका. बाय बाय.